Google's new policy change is letting Android backups to be adjusted in your Google account storage. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Google is emailing Android users about this change under New Android Backup Storage Policy and Controls. The current storage status section of the email notes your estimated increase in Android backup, as well as how much space you're currently using. Previously, Android backups would only count images and videos uploaded to Google Photos and MMS data towards your Google account storage of free 15 GB or more with paid Google One. Now, all data types that appear in Android backup settings are included and count against your storage limit. This now includes SMS messages, call history, and device settings. On average, Google says this new data should increase your backup size by 40 MB. As part of this launch, Google's giving Android users more control over what's included in the backup. Google's also adding on and off toggles for SMS and MMS messages, call history, and device settings. These new preferences are rolling out over the coming weeks. To access this page, go to Accounts and Backup in Settings, then Google Backup, Other Device Data on Pixel devices. You can also search for Backup in your Settings app. This new policy is already rolling out for new Android backup users and will come to existing accounts in the coming months. A Google spokesperson said, Android backup lets you save the data on your phone to your Google account so you can easily restore it or set up a new device. We've updated our policy so that all Android backup data now counts towards Google account storage. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.